Hello, friends. Welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and I'm really happy you're joining us today.
And I'm Adam. This is your cozy corner of the internet, where English becomes simple, fun, and part of your everyday life.
Together, we learn through little moments, ordering food, asking for help, chatting with people, or just telling your story.
We teach with clear examples, friendly conversations, and short stories that help. English stick in your mind.
So you can speak English naturally and confidently. Welcome to Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and today we're going shopping.
Hi, friends. I'm Adam, and yes, today's topic is at the supermarket, shopping for groceries. One of the most useful English topics ever.
Adam, do you like grocery shopping?
Well, yes, but only when I'm not hungry. If I'm hungry, I buy everything. Chips, cookies, chocolate, even things I don't need.
Same. Once I went to the supermarket hungry and I bought a giant watermelon. I had to carry it like a baby all the way home.
Okay, friends, let's learn some useful supermarket words. 1. Aisle. Adam, I can't find the bread aisle. 2. Checkout. Alice, let's go to the checkout. 3. Basket/cart. Alice, I need a basket. Adam, I need a cart. My snacks need space.
Let's repeat together. Repeat after us. I'm looking for the bread aisle. I'm going to the checkout. I need a shopping cart. Adam, tell them your cheese story.
Oh no. Okay. One day I was at the supermarket. I saw a big cheese block. I smelled it to check the quality. And guess what?
You dropped it.
No. I sneezed on it. I said sorry and ran away.
Friends, remember, don't smell the cheese too closely.
Here are real phrases you can use. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Do you have this in a smaller size? Is there a discount today? Can I pay by card?
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Where can I find the milk? Is there a discount today?
I always look for fresh fruit. I touch the apples and softly. Check if they're firm.
My trick is smelling the oranges. If they smell sweet, perfect.
Friends, in English we also say the idiom, an apple. A day keeps the doctor away. It means eating healthy helps you stay healthy.
At the checkout, the cashier usually asks, "Did you find everything okay? Do you need a bag?"
And you can answer, "Yes, thank you." "Yes, a small bag, please." "No, I brought my own."
Let's repeat. I brought my own bag. Yes, a small bag, please.
Learning English through daily life makes everything easier.
Yes, even a simple supermarket trip becomes a language lesson, and you're learning beautifully.
Thank you for shopping with us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, give us a like, subscribe, and join us again for more warm English stories. See you next time on Amjee's English World.